Good morning children, welcome to online biology class, and today's the topic is continuity of agriculture practices from the lesson crop production and management, and this is the most important method. Nowadays there are different types of techniques came and some old methods the farmers are used. In the last session we already discussed about the protection of crop from the weeds and pests that we discussed, and there are insecticides, pesticides, fungicides we discussed, and some natural methods we discussed, how to control the pest, and some the tools we discussed, how to remove the weeds from the crop we discussed, and this session we are going to be discussing the sixth method in agricultural practices, that is harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. These three methods will be worked at a time only. In olden days they are going to be used some old methods, and nowadays the new machines came to cut the crop and next to separate the seeds from the husk and to kept in a different bags. These are the three methods now the farmers are using to collect the crop. Yes, after the maturity of crop, we may know that the crops is going to be ready. At that time, the crops are going to be cut with the help of sickle. In olden days they are used, but some farmers nowadays also they are using. Sickle is nothing but this is a rod to hold. Yes, this is the shape of the sickle. Assume that this is a crop. They just cut like this. Okay? They just cut like this from the soil. This is nothing but the harvester. When we are going to be cut the crop from the fields with the help of sickle or by using a machine, a tractor also nowadays it came. A blade like structure will be there. To a bar rod, a blade will be there. These blade to the tractor, it will be holded. These blade will be just cut the crop. Yes, but in olden days we are using the sickle. These blade is cutted the crop and kept it aside. That the process we may call it as a harvester. That the machine we are using to cut the crop is known as harvester. This is harvesting. After collecting the paddy, after collecting the crop, along the seeds, along the grains, the chalk also will be present. That we may call it as unwanted. The dried leaves, everything will be present. Husk also will be present. Yes, no? That the chalk, along with the chalk, it is going to be with the help of threshing mechanism we are doing. Threshing means nothing but we are going to be collect the crop plants with the help of bunch. That bunch we are going to be beat on the hard surface. They will be beat here. How like the mother is beating the clothes to the floor, no? To remove the dust, to remove the excess surf. Like that, they are beating the crop bunches to the hard surface. At the time, the seeds will be separated. The seeds will be separated from the chalk and it is laid it on the towel. That is the process. We may call it as a thresher. But nowadays, when combined machine came, both the harvesting and threshing will be done by one machine only. That machine is harvester. One side it will cut the crop. and the next side the seeds will be separated, the chalk will be separated. That is the harvester mission. After that, the laid down seeds here, no, the seeds they are going to be collected in a one big plate, and they are going to be do winnowing. Winnowing is nothing but they will be stand in one high place and they will do the start of doing this. How your mother will do the rice will be separated from the husk, no? She will use one plate and she will do like this. Yes, at like that the farmers also will do. At that time the seeds will be separated. Seeds are going to be separated. That the process is known as winnowing. Husk is also separated from that. It will be fall when you are doing like this, the farmers, the weight seeds will be fall one side, the husk will be fall on that side. Yes, that is the process of winnowing. These three are the methods nowadays the farmers are used, and they are using some machines to do it very fast. Within a less time, we can cut our crop and we can separate the seeds from the crop by using the combined missions. Okay, now we collected with the help of this harvesting, crushing and winnowing. We collected the crops. After that, the last process will be there. What is that last process? Seventh method. What is the seventh method? Storage. The seventh method is the storage. This process, after collecting the seeds from the crop, they are going to be tied up with gunny bags. That gunny bags, they are going to be sold it. With the rate, if the correct reasonable price will be there, the farmers will be sold it in the market. If the correct price is not there and this is not the season, at that time the farmers do to kept in a storage godowns. That is cold storages also will be there. They neatly packed with the gunny bags and tightly tied with the thread, and they are kept in godowns. That the godowns are pesticide free containers. Yes, they needs to be closed with each and every corner very perfectly. Why? Because if any insect, if any rat will go to inside, it will eat all the grains. For that purpose, the godowns are constructed very strong and they tied it with iron sheets. Okay, now we cannot be that much easy. Any animal or any insect will reach to inside. Further, the farmers are going and kept their crop, paddy seeds and grain seeds in a storage houses. That is about the storage of the crop. And next, day to day the population is increasing. What the farmers needs to do? They needs to be cultivated very fastly, and we need to be like the different varieties of crops also we are going to be attracted. For that attraction and for the purpose of more yield, they are doing the improving crop production. They are going to be improve the crop production. Yes, I will take two examples, Ramu and Raghu. Ramu and Raghu are going to be cultivate the crop of groundnuts. Both they started to crop at same time, and they got the yield at the same time, and they collected the seeds also same time. 3 months after they collected the seeds. Ramu seeds are looking good quality and more weight, but Raghu seeds are got less quality and less weight. What does the Raghu will think? Raghu is also what are the pesticides, what are the chemicals, what are the manures used by Ramu. Both they are used, but the difference was there. Selection of seeds is different, and the soil fertility also different. At that time, one scientist came near both of them, Ramu and Raghu, and he said that Ramu you give 1 kg of seeds to me. At that time, Ramu gave 1 seeds to scientist. The scientist, what he did, he planted the seeds and he did that hybridization process. Tissue culture method he did. With 100 seeds, he created nearly thousands of plants. That thousands of plants he planted. Raghu planted in her field, in his field. At the time, Raghu also got more yield like Ramu. That is the new method. That is the tissue culture method. And nowadays, you heard some varieties of fruits are coming to the markets. How they are getting that? They are doing the hybridization. What is that? Hybridization. That's why you may call it as a hybrid. Hybrid. That hybrid tomato, hybrid brinjal, hybrid beans is there no in markets. How they came? They take the tomato and potato. Tomato is somewhat not hard. Potato is hard. That hard characters collected from the potato and the taste are there in the tomato. They are mixing the cells to the tomato and they are created the hybrid tomato. Like that, mixing of two different characters, two different varieties to create new breed. New breed is known as hybridization. Nowadays we are getting different types of milks also. Jersey milk and local breed, foreign breed. How they are came? They came by using the hybridization only. They are collecting the sperm from them and they are going to be injecting our local animals. At that time, they are getting the new cross breeds. That is nothing but the hybridization. The farmers wants to create with the help of scientists to get more yield and more production by using the new hybridization, some tissue culture methods to improve the crop and fulfill the stomachs of people. Yes, that is today's session, children. And today we discussed about the storage and harvesting, threshing and winnowing process, and also we discussed about the improving crop production also. And in the next session we are going to be discussed why I am telling to you the nitrogen. How this nitrogen is going to be recycled down the earth. We will see in the next class. And these are the agricultural practices the farmers are using to cultivate their crops and improving their crops from disease-free plants and from disease-free pest and control. Yes. Thank you, children. Tomorrow we will continue the next session.